So let's just talk about streams in Node.js. So the streams are very powerful tool that can handle continuous data flow very efficiently. So whenever we work with a larger file size, so it is not a good practice to transfer the whole file size at once, which can be time consuming and also memory inefficient. So instead we can transfer it chunk by chunk, and with that approach we can immediately start working on the data while the rest of the chunks are still transferred. And also because the chunk size is low, so it is also very memory efficient. So let's just talk about types of the stream. So first of all, we have the readable stream. So these are the streams from which we can read our data. And also we have the writable stream. So these are the streams where we can write our data. And also we have the duplex stream. So these are the streams where we can read our data and also we can write our data. So we can perform both read and write. And also we have transform stream. So this is basically one duplex stream. So here we can read and also we can write, but along with that also we can modify the data while we are reading or writing. So these are the available types of streams. So let's just see how we can work with the streams in Node.js. So suppose we have one source.txt file and one destination.txt file. So inside the source.txt we have the content welcome to Node.js. So we wanted to copy that content from the source file to the destination file using the streams. So inside the main, first of all we have to import the fs module, and here we're gonna create one readable stream. So we have to write fs dot create readable stream. We have to pass the source file, which is source.txt. So here we're just reading from this source.txt. Now let's just create the writable stream. fs dot create writable stream, pass the destination.txt. So we have created the readable stream and the writable stream. So let's now add one event listener. So readable stream dot on. So here we have the data event and it will take one callback function. So the callback function will receive the chunk of data and then we can just console log the received chunk. So we are reading data from this readable stream and we are receiving all the smaller chunks and we are logging them on the console. So if we just run this node main, so you can see we're getting this result where this is not readable because so we have to set the encoding. So we can set the encoding to UTF-8 so that is readable. Now if we run, so you can see this is our chunk. So because the default chunk size is 64 KB, so the whole data is part of one chunk. So what we can do, we can reduce the chunk size. So we can use high watermark and we can set the chunk size to 2 bytes. Now if we run, so now you can see we're getting only 2 characters, 2 bytes per chunk. So every chunk containing only 2 bytes. And also if you see in the destination we do not have any content because we are getting all the chunks and we are directly just logging them on the console. We can just write it to this writable stream dot write, and we can write all the chunks that we have received. If we run, so now if we look into that destination, so you can see our content is copied from the source text to the destination chunk by chunk. So this is the way we can create one readable stream and one writable stream, and we can copy the data chunk by chunk using the stream. So that's it for the video. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.